Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to reverse character in a string in Python. We are going to use a slice operator in one method, and in other method, we are going to use reverse method in Python. So let's see how to do it. First, I'm going to define method reverse or rev underscore string one, and it will take a string we are going to check with if string, then we are going to return string and the slice operator -1, else we are going to return just a string. So this will reverse a string and return it. And now we are going to see another method, def rev string, and I will just name it 2 and pass in string. In this method, we are going to use reversed method. So let's see if string return join and pass in reversed and pass in a string. Just return a reverse string this way, else just return the string. Now we can test this by calling these both functions and printing out the result. Print rev string 1, and I will pass in car string. I will copy this line and pass with rev string 2 function. Change the string. It's going to pass in foo this time, and save our script. And when I run my script, you can see those characters are reversed. So this way you can reverse a character in a string in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Awesome Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.